Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your purchases could not be completed like contact iTunes support solution. So how can you fix this issue? Now step one is just go to the settings of your iPhone, and once you're into the settings just scroll down and go to this option which is called screen time. So just open screen time, and once you're into the screen time just make sure to scroll down, and at the end the last option will be content and privacy restrictions. So open content and privacy restrictions, and once you're into this section make sure to go to the first option which is called iTunes and App Store purchases. And once you open this from this section, make sure that the third option which is called in-app purchases, as you can see, like if it is set to don't allow, just click on it and set it to allow and save it. And now make sure that all these settings are allowed. And once these settings are allowed, what you can do is just go back to the App Store and try again if your purchases are working or not. But let's say that you are still facing the issue. So what you can do is just click on the profile or your like iCloud and click here and make sure to log in while giving your password. And once you're logged in, make sure that you have chosen the right country or region. As you can see, like my country or region is set to United States. Like make sure to choose the right country of like whatever your right country is, whatever you are living. Make sure to choose the country. Let's say I live in United Emirates. You can choose United Arab Emirates and set it. Make sure to enter the details and save it, and then restart your like App Store or Play App Store. And after that, hopefully your problem will be solved and you will be able to do purchases in the App Store. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful.